Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add members to a group on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC with the latest update. This is a handy feature if you want to expand your group chats and include more friends or colleagues easily. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your direct messages where all your chats and groups are listed. Next, find the group chat where you want to add new members and open it. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll see an info icon. Click on that. This icon gives you access to the group's details and settings. After clicking the info icon, look for the option that says Add People. Click on it to start adding new members to your group. Now, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the name of the Instagram account you want to add. Type the username carefully, then select the correct account from the list that appears. If you want to add more than one person, simply type another name in the search bar and choose the account just like before. Repeat this step for every new member you want to add to the group. Once you've selected all the new members, look for the next button and click it. This will confirm your choices and add the new people to your group chat. And that's it. You've successfully added members to your Instagram group on the PC app with the new update. It's a straightforward process that helps you keep your conversations growing and connected. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to try this out the next time you want to bring more friends into your Instagram group chats. Stay tuned for more helpful tips.